Kids Zone with Trishy. Babies love colors. I like red. Red wagon. Red ball. Lift. Can you say lift? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Lift. Lift. Red leaves as they fall.
That red bird is called a cardinal. It's a cardinal bird. Red bird. Red bird is called a cardinal. That red bird right there, it's called a cardinal. Red bird. Red bird. Cardinal. Red. Red. Can you say red? Red.
I like orange. Orange flowers. Orange cat. Lift. 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 Orange fruit and orange hat.
Orange. Orange. Like oranges? I do. Orange. Orange. Oranges. Orange. Orange.
I like yellow. Yellow ducklings. Yellow boat. Don't forget to say lift. 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 Yellow umbrella and yellow coat.
Yellow. 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 Banana. Banana. Yellow. Banana.
I like green. Green grass. Green trees. Lift. 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 Green kites catch the breeze.
Green. 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 Frog. 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 Green. Frog. Frog.
I like blue. Blue water. Blue sky. Lift. 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 Bluebirds flying high.
Blue sky. Blue sky. Blue sky. Blue. The sky is blue. Blue.
I like purple. Purple grapes. Purple spoons. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 purple spoons. Lift. Purple punch and purple balloon.
Purple flowers. Flower. Purple.